When I was getting ready to move out from USC, I honestly thought I could fit everything into my car. I was wrong. After living in Los Angeles for a while, I had way more stuff than I expected. Books, clothes, kitchen supplies, electronics. Everything added up. Then I realized I had another problem. I still needed moving boxes, packing tape, and shipping labels. That's why I ordered the UC moving kit. Came with almost everything I needed to start packing. Boxes, packing tape, printed shipping labels, label pouch. Everything was delivered together. Packing was easy. Carrying everything wasn't. Premium pickup came inside, picked everything up, and saved me a lot of time. What I liked most was having options. If you're moving back home, moving to another state, or just need storage, UC Moving has a solution. Looking back, I probably could have done everything myself. But it would have taken a lot longer. UC Moving made the whole process much easier. If you're a USC student planning your next move, I'd definitely recommend checking out UC Moving. It made my move much less stressful.